how to use Vivid Seats reward credits. Hello guys, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you would learn how you can use Vivid Seats reward credits. Alright, so it is very simple to use, alright. The more you use Vivid Seats, the more you receive rewards. And if you would like to use these reward credits, then do not worry, just follow me until the end. The first step is to login into your Vivisit account. You cannot do anything without logging in. Okay, and then once you're logged in, the next step is to browse events and select your ticket. This is because the only way you can use your reward credit is by buying tickets on Vivid Seats. Okay, so browse your events and then select the ticket. Select the events whose tickets you would like to buy, then move to the left side of the screen, click on the ticket, then scroll down and select check out. Selecting checkout, the first stage is delivery, and to show you how you would receive your ticket, which is majorly through email. If you're satisfied with this, scroll down and click continue to billing. Now, if you have enough reward credits, on this page you will see the option. For me, I do not have any reward credit, and because of that, the only options I have includes pay by credit card, PayPal, and Lana. As for you, if you have reward credits that you would like to use on this particular page, you would be able, your available reward credits will automatically apply, or it will show as an option. Okay, so once it applies, then click. If it's not enough to pay for the entire ticket and it pays for some, select another means of payment to complete the remaining amount. They click continue to payment, pay your money, and once you've done that, you are good to go. So this is it. This is how to use your reward credits. So if you have reward credits, do not waste them, and sure you use them to get tickets on Vivid Seats. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.